The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Donetsk direction. Aviation, artillery and actions of the EU group of forces eliminated more than 340 Ukrainian servicemen and mercenaries, 2 tanks, 4 infantry fighting vehicles, 6 armored fighting vehicles, 9 motor vehicles, 1 Uragan MLRS vehicle, as well as D-20 and D-30 howitzers. In the South Donetsk and Zaporizhia directions, army aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar and Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Malinovka and Sherbaki in Zaporizhia region. The total losses of the enemy in these directions have amounted to over 25 Ukrainian servicemen and 2 armored fighting vehicles during the day. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized up to 25 Ukrainian troops, 11 motor vehicles and 3 D-30 howitzers during the day. In total, 404 airplanes, 227 helicopters, 3,622 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,472 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,076 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,462 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,199 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 460 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles as well as 4 artillery units and 3 special equipment. In total, Kremlin lost 173,360 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,615 tanks, 6,977 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 400 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of destroying warehouse and military equipment of the occupiers in Bakhmut. Thanks to the active interaction of scouts of the 30th Separate Mechanized Brigade and artillerymen of the 26th and 45th Brigades, the warehouse and military equipment of the occupiers were destroyed with one shot, said General Staff of Armed Forces of Ukraine in official statement today. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanks to all fighters. 400 days of our defense against full-scale aggression. This is a colossal path that we have walked. Altogether, everyone who fought and fights for Ukraine, Zelensky said.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. 400 днів. 400 днів нашої оборони від повномасштабної агресії. Це колосальний шлях, який ми пройшли всі разом. Кожен і кожна, хто боровся і бореться за Україну, хто дбав і дбає про державу і українців, хто допомагав і допомагає нашій логістиці, хто зміцнював і зміцнює українську стійкість. Україна пройшла найстрашніші дні того лютого, витримали і цю зиму. Колосальні зусилля за цими словами. Ми пройшли минулорічну весну, що змінила хід цієї війни на користь нашої оборони. Минулого літа і восени ми довели, що весняне звільнення наших північних областей не було випадковістю. Битва за Київ, Чернігів, за Сумщину.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.